In this video, I show you how, if you're trading consistently for a living, it's very, very important that you make a journal. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your own journal, copy my journal, and delete all the information and use it as your own. This is owned for people of my Academy 55 course. Also, I will show you how I got my monthly target in very, very quick time. But after that, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. To be really happy with this trade, I want that trend to go red, and it could go red at any time now. Like I said, I'll be very worried about this line here. But we know we have a 65% to 75% success rate, near a 75%, because price going into the sell zone. I'll go back to TradingView. Looking at the higher time frame, the 5-minute time frame. Look, it's checked out that imbalance. It's covered that imbalance now. So there's no other reason, not imbalance wise anyway, for price to come down there, because these are all covered by wicks and whatever. The only reason is price reacting off the strength or the weakness of the dollar, and also the strength of all the sell orders we know out there. I think at this stage it's prudent for me to put my stop loss to my entry to protect your equity, which I've done. Because, like I said, I think the bigger picture is and the trend line has gone red now. The bigger picture is to carry on with the buy. Is price going to come down to hit the purple line? I certainly hope so, because I'll take profits in the way. And that'll be a good place to, but price won't listen to me. It'll do what it wants to do. We've created more imbalances up here and here and here. And how important are they to go down and to strengthen the dollar a little bit? Hopefully I'll take profit. I'm on a risk-free trade now, just in case things do turn around quickly. We've got a little bit of imbalance down here, like I pointed out on the minute. Will they want to equalize that a little bit? I certainly hope so. But when are they going to do that? Are they going to do that now during this run, or are they going to do it later? Which they're obviously perfectly entitled to do. And also all depends on how many. We know there's a buy zone down here, and how many orders are there down here for them to go and sort of collect. We don't know that information. So I certainly hope that we have an extra little push to take us down so we can get our 2%. Just a little bit more. Indeed, I'm going to, no, I'm not. I'm going to let it go. Let it do its thing. Trust the indicators. Because I'm already on a risk-free trade anyway, so that's the most pleasing thing. I mean, I'm keeping hold of my balance. I have been in a situation before where price has turned around and took me out, but I'm not going to lose any money over it. And as you can see, this is why I usually go down and make a cup of tea, because your mind is doing all sorts of things, and you can't do anything to influence it whatsoever. If you're watching it, you go, come on, come on. people I've seen people get really irate on similar lives. It was just not the thing to do. You just got to be cool, calm, and collected about it, and just put things in place. And as you can see, we got our 2%. So what I do with that is, again, going back to my journal, my personal journal. I encourage each and every one of you to have your journal. Take this one, delete all the information there, make it your own. But what I do is now, as you can see, I've got my 2%. Oh, sorry, that's on the minute. There we go. And indeed, it's reacted off that purple line. That's why it's there. So what we do is we copy the link, get my journal back. This is the journal. And as you can see, my 10% is achieved. Now I've got a space underneath where I take the demo trades, because that's already locked in my 10%. So I paste it in there. The pair is the EUR/USD. The time was between 8 and 9. The date is the 20th. 1, 2, 5. That should automatically populate. There we go. The type was a sell. The result, it won, and 2%. So underneath here now, there's another box. And now you can see its total percentage profit of all trades is now 12%. I've already achieved my 10%. That's already locked in for me. And this tells you at the moment I've got a win rate of 64%. My personal journal. That was a demo trade. So the profit on the demo trade was 2%, obviously, because I just won that. So I encourage everybody to go in, all the members of Academy 55, to have a look at that, make a copy of this, and make one of your own.